Hey guys, it's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to discuss annoying types of passengers on the plane. I mean, I've travelled a bit this year and I just get frustrated after every journey, so let's get into it. This type of annoying passenger on the plane is kind of a two-in-one, but it would have to be lazy parents. Now I know what you're thinking. How is that your business? Like, why are lazy parents your problem? They're not your parents. No, it is my problem. Lazy parents allow their child to constantly scream on the plane, make a fit and kick other people's chairs. Now once you're kicking my chair, it's my problem. I mean, I turn around, I'll be polite, be like, honey, can you stop kicking my chair please? You know, I let the parent know and they say stop. But come on now, do I have to turn around every 5 seconds? Listen, my chair is already pulled in as it in. I don't need you to kick it in anymore, alright? It's good where it is. Please, stop kicking my chair. I don't want no budget massage. I'm all good. I just want to have a nice ride. Parents, come on now. You bring your young child onto the plane. Can you please control them and let everyone else have a good flight? I mean, we all paid for our ticket, okay? Second type of annoying person would have to be the one that reclines their chair. Now listen, a little bit, okay, you want a little snooze, that's good, but when you push it out all the way and I don't have no space, I can't even bend down if I drop anything, I'm a headbutt the TV. And you know what's so funny? They push it out all the way, but then they try to push it out a little more. Listen, I don't know what type of budget 3D you're trying to give me, but I don't want it. Listen, it can't go out anymore. Please stop trying, you know. And it's like you can't even eat properly, so then you have to keep asking them to, like, you know, can you just pull in your chair for like a few minutes, let me eat? And then, you know, like, come on people, just be a bit more thoughtful. There's someone behind you. This isn't much space. You don't, listen, this isn't no sunbed. You don't need to keep pushing it out all the way. Gosh. Third type of annoying person would have to be the one who takes over your overhead compartment without you even getting on the plane, and then when you get on the plane you're like, whose luggage is this? And then they have the cheek to ask you, oh, are you sitting there? Did you pay for them seats? Of course I'm sitting there. Move your luggage, let me put in mine. And then they have the cheek to say, oh, I'll put it up there for you. And then they try to squeeze it in. Nah. Take out yours, put mine in. If yours can't fit, put it somewhere else. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why people feel the need that they have their own seat, you know. If your ticket don't match that number, don't put your bag up there until I put mine up there. Then, you know, we can share a little space or whatever. But can I have my luggage go up there first, please? Okay, stop trying to take it over and then question me about the seat when you know you didn't pay for them seats. Gosh. Type of annoying person that travels on a plane would have to be the loud talker. I don't know if you've ever experienced this. If you haven't, you are so lucky, but if you have, you feel my pain. You know, they just talk so loud to the person next to them. Listen, your conversation, I be hearing it. It ain't that interesting. Can you keep it down a bit? I mean, other people, some people want to sleep. Some people actually just want to watch what they're watching. And some people, you know, just want to have peace and quiet. Nobody wants to hear your conversation. I know, like, the aircraft, it's a bit noisy, so you probably can't hear yourself, but I'm pretty sure you don't talk that loud. I mean, even first class can hear you when you talk that loud. Like, come on. Keep it down a bit, please. Okay guys, that was the type of annoying passengers I've experienced on a plane. If I missed out any, please be sure to comment them down below. I'll be intrigued to know. And guys, I will definitely see you in another video, and please be sure to comment, subscribe, like and share, and I'll see ya. Bye.